Hi guys, Irina here and welcome back to my channel where I review everything tech. Today, let's open the box with the new iPhone 13. I got it in blue and without further ado, let's begin. So here it is, the iPhone 13 in blue. Looks beautiful. As usual, here we get an aluminum frame and glossy glass back. Looks and feels pretty much the same as the iPhone 12, but this time around we get the new camera module with diagonally located cameras and bigger lenses. In the box we get a USB-C to Lightning cable, then we have a SIM tool, some papers and a sticker. We have a 6.1-inch OLED display on the iPhone 13, just like on the iPhone 12, but this display is brighter than the one on its predecessor, which is always great news. And also, as you can see, we have a smaller notch on the iPhone 13, which is amazing. But honestly, I didn't expect it for the iPhone 13. I think I was waiting for something like that about 2 years ago, but now I feel that I'm so used to this notch that I don't really care about it anymore. Let's talk about the camera setup of the iPhone 13. We have a dual camera here with the main camera and the ultra-wide camera, just like on the iPhone 12, but both of these cameras are new. When it comes to the main camera, we get a bigger sensor that would let you take brighter and sharper looking photos, and also on the iPhone 13 we get the sensor shift technology for better video stabilization. Speaking of the ultra-wide camera, Apple promises us that with the new ultra-wide camera, we'll be able to get more detail and less noise in the dark areas of the ultra-wide photos and videos, but we'll see how it all translates to the real world photos and videos, so stay tuned for my camera comparison. Aside from that, of course, we get a few new features on the iPhone 13. The biggest one is the new cinematic mode that will let you rack focus, meaning you could shift focus in your videos. Then we get the latest Smart HDR4 and also the feature that is called photographic styles, where you could selectively apply adjustments to the right areas while preserving skin tones. And now let's take a look at some of my first photos and videos I've taken with the new iPhone 13. One of the biggest upgrades on the iPhone 13 is the bigger battery, which means we get longer battery life on this phone, and Apple claims that we'll get up to 2.5 hours more battery life on the iPhone 13. So we'll see how good the battery life is in the real world. The good thing is that the iPhone 13 starts at 128 GB of internal storage, which is great because, let's face it, 64 GB is not enough these days. The iPhone 13 is powered by a new A15 Bionic chip, and Apple claims that they have upgraded the internals with the new CPU and GPU, meaning your phone would be faster. Of course, the iPhone 13 has the IP68 rating with a maximum depth of 6 meters for up to 30 minutes, just like on its predecessor, the iPhone 12. The starting price for the iPhone 13 in the US is $799, same price as the last year, and the good thing is that now the price for the iPhone 12 has dropped, so maybe it's a good time for an upgrade. That's all for this video, guys. Stay tuned for my comprehensive review of this phone, as well as the real-world camera comparison videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon!